In this demonstration, we will add a check to a device, associate an automated task to check failure, and view the task results. Assign automated tasks to run when a check fails. Select the device or group of devices in the north pane. In the south pane, under the Checks tab, click Add Check. Determine if it should be a 24/7 or daily safety check, and then select the check from the menu. In this example, we will add a disk space check. Alert settings can be adjusted to receive SMS or email notifications. Click multiple devices to open a list of devices to associate with the check. Review the conditions for the check. In this example, we will keep the default settings. When disk space falls below 25% remaining, the check will fail. Check the box to assign a task to this check and click OK. The Add Automated Task dialog box appears. Select the task that should start upon check failure and click Next. In this example, we will set a Perform Disk Maintenance task to occur after a failed disk space check. Enter a name for the task and verify the script parameters. Click Next. Select the Execution Timeout checkbox, which is optional, and enter the maximum permitted execution time. Click Finish. The new check appears under the Checks tab in the south pane. Clicking the link in the Assigned Tasks column opens the Tasks tab and displays the status of each task assigned to the device.